In this video, we'll show you how to care for and maintain your heat pump tumble dryer, helping to keep it working efficiently and drying your laundry effectively. Regular maintenance helps reduce drying times, improves performance, and extends the life of your appliance. Before carrying out any maintenance, switch off the appliance and allow it to cool down. After every drying cycle, remove and clean the lint filters. These are usually located inside the door or just below it. Lift and remove the lint filter from the appliance to clean. Remove all visible lint by hand and ensure the filter is correctly refitted before the next cycle. Clean the inner surface of the door and the door gasket after each drying process. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any lint or debris, helping to prevent odours and maintain efficient drying. Inside the machine, there are usually humidity sensors that detect when the laundry is dry, helping the dryer end the cycle at the right time. To maintain accurate drying performance, these sensors should be cleaned every few months or as outlined in your user manual. Before cleaning the sensors, ensure the dryer has fully cooled down. Use a soft cloth only to wipe the sensor surfaces. Do not use metal tools, cleaning solutions or chemical agents, as this may damage the sensors and could create a safety risk. The heat exchanger is another key component for efficient operation. Regular attention at recommended intervals helps maintain optimal performance. Always allow the dryer to cool before accessing the heat exchanger. Open the heat exchanger cover. Using a soft brush, carefully brush the lint collected from the heat exchanger grills. Ensure to brush vertically when cleaning to avoid damage to the exchanger grills. For best results, avoid overloading the drum and ensure laundry is well spun in the washing machine before drying. This reduces drying time and strain on the appliance. If you notice longer drying times, damp clothes, or unusual smells, this may indicate that filters, sensors, or the heat exchanger require attention.
For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.